Tired of your Plantronics headset feeling worn out because of deteriorating ear cushions? Imagine restoring that fresh, comfortable fit while cutting down on background noise, without buying a whole new headset. These Leatherette replacement ear cushions are designed specifically for Plantronics models W745, W740, W440, and CS540, offering a simple way to breathe new life into your gear. I've been using the Savi 7XX wireless headset for nearly a decade. When the original ear cushions started falling apart, I faced a choice: spend hundreds on a new headset or find a smart replacement. These Leatherette cushions proved to be the perfect fix. They fit snugly, block out distracting background noise, and feel surprisingly comfortable during long calls. The swap took a bit of effort. Removing the old cushions wasn't effortless, but it was worth every minute. Now, my headset feels like new again, and I've got a spare pair ready for when the time comes. What sets these cushions apart is their durability. Unlike foam, Leatherette resists wear and tear better when cared for properly. Just avoid alcohol-based cleaners to keep them looking fresh. Plus, the fit is made exclusively for headband-style wearers, ensuring a secure, comfortable grip every time. If you rely on your headset daily, these replacements keep your experience consistent and enjoyable without the hassle or cost of a full upgrade. If that sounds like the solution you've been searching for, it's worth a look. These cushions offer a practical, affordable way to maintain your Plantronics headset's performance and comfort. Try them when you're ready to extend your headset's life and enjoy clearer, more comfortable calls again.